Chapter 27, Hell, Nature's Recycling. Nature will balance the imbalance we have created by purifying our minds for us. Nature purifies us in the same manner that it breaks down everything through decay, degeneration, destruction. This is the second death mentioned in the Bible and in the Egyptian mysteries. This is hell. Hell is nature's recycling plant where the consciousness is freed from the formations we have built around it. But nature, as you can observe in the process of life all around us, works slowly. To be purified by nature is a very slow, painful process. As painful as our karma may be in the physical world, it is very easy and shallow compared to the suffering endured in hell. Therefore, it is truly in our best interest to pay our debts now, to clear our mind of all impurity, so that nature will have nothing to cleanse from us. The choice is ours. It is painful to see the ugliness in our minds and the hatred in our hearts, but it is far less painful than nature's method of purification. Already, we see that humanity is entering hell, even while still in physical bodies. The degeneration of this humanity has reached a stage never before seen on this planet. The widespread corruption and criminality, so celebrated and recommended by governments, media, and artists, is accelerating the decay of our civilization. In response, nature is beginning to cleanse this planet by intensifying the conditions around us through extreme weather, natural disasters, diseases, illnesses, and a multiplicity of sufferings heretofore unknown. The only way to avoid being caught in the maelstrom is to negotiate your karma. You can do this starting right now by realizing the types of karma that are affecting you and acting appropriately.